Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back, and those who are new to the channel, you remember like, share, subscribe. Yeah. So right now this video I'm about to do is about the remote start for the E90, or you could say any E-chassis BMW, able to hook up a remote start. So here we go. So you ever thought about getting a remote start? And everybody's saying, yo, you can't do it with those cars. It's possible. Just need the right link, the right connection. And here's your connection. The data start, the MB1. It's basically from like 2005 to 2013 BMW e-chassis, like E90, E91, E92s, E60s, yeah. Very simple setup in the sense of it's a module and wiring, plug and play, no wires have to be cut. Very simple. So I'm gonna give you an example and show you how this works. Take you inside the car and let you see. And this all works off the factory key fob. And then there's also the options if you wanna get longer distance, or can turn your car on from anywhere, open your doors from anywhere, where you can get the app. I'll talk more about that app, but the app is basically you have to buy, another module or whatever, which you can get it through. It's a Viper or Drone Mobile, which you put the app on your phone and you just basically press a button. So look, I'm gonna show you with the key fob how to get this car started. Hold on, where did I put the key? With the factory key fob, does 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. See the lights coming on? And eventually it's gonna start. You hear it clicking and stuff like that. There you go, car's on. Let you know there's nobody inside. Yeah, car is on and running. Now, basically to turn it off, 3 clicks again. 1, 2, 3. And the car just shuts off. It's simple enough. And like I said before, that's just off the factory key fob. But you can always have it set up through Viper. The Viper alarms, they have their alarm that lets you have a remote connection. And then there's also mobile, Drone Mobile, that does the same thing as well. I personally using Drone Mobile. I like their features because you can basically have that same setup with the one app onto multiple cars if you own more than one car. This is the Drone Mobile app. I'm just gonna go through the options real quick. How to start the car, go to controls. So you gotta start and stop, and you gotta basically hold to engage the start. Then it sends the signal to the car. See? Car's activated now. Lights flashing. It's engaging. All right. I don't know if you can hear it really, but the car is on. And, oh, wait a minute. See, now once the car is started, the app, it tells you that the engine has been started and how long. Then now, being that the remote start is engaged, It stays on for about 15 minutes, and the app basically counts and lets you know. Okay, this cannot be correct, but alright. Sometimes this app kind of acts up. You gotta refresh it, which I did. It shows you the voltage of your battery right now. Pretty good when the car is on, of course. Then it shows you, it tells you right here, engine is on, doors are locked, closed. So now I'm gonna unlock. Now you see it switched to unlock. I'm gonna go over to the door and open it up, and you'll see that switch as well. Refresh the app real quick. Oh, there we go. Refresh. Now it's saying door is open. Basically, look, see now, door is closed. Pretty cool app. You even have tracking options for your car or whatever. But let you know this app is a subscription, so you do have to pay monthly for it. To depending on what you choose, you get to unlock more features. All right. Now I'm gonna shut the car off. Let me open the door, let you guys see that. Wait for it. Now car is off. Go back to here. See, look at the app now. Engine, status of the engine is off. It's basically two wires you have to plug in, or the harnesses. You plug out the factory harness. The harness that's supplied in the kit, you plug it into the car, then the factory harness plugs into that harness, and that also plugs into the module. Then you just put it back right there and it's done. The hardest part is just the programming of the, I guess, the unit, the system, to work with the car, which instructions are there and it's able to get done pretty easily. So yeah, that's your remote start system for your E90 chassis, E91, E92, E93s, E60s. By the time I've done this video, I think the F chassis are available as well. I'm not sure, I don't own one, but yeah, you can do your research and find out. And if anybody that's interested in information about the app, I can do another video that's more detailed on how the app and all that works. And it's like any other system. It has this module, and the module connects with the app. And then there's an antenna inside, so that gives you the longer or wider range. I think it connects on a cellular system, like your phone. So that way you can use your app, as I said before, anywhere. Yeah, 2 blocks away, 3 blocks away, even if you're out of the country and you want to start your car, because that's what I did when I went to Jamaica, just to make sure my battery didn't die on me. But yeah, that's the opportunities that you have having a remote start, especially with the app. You have access to your car to open, close your doors, and whatever other features your car might have. You can open up your trunk and stuff like that. If you have any questions, I said, keep it down in the comments. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, keep up with the kid. Remember, just because I'm in a wheelchair doesn't mean I have to drive a lame car. You see me?